Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Today I'm going to make cold noodles with peanut sauce. So this is a recipe from my friend who actually made my dandan noodles following Mr. Cameron's cooking. I was asking her, oh, can you have the recipe from you? The noodles we had a while ago at her house. Here we go, this is my take of her recipe. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Just happened we have pasta left over from yesterday. Mr. Cameron made the delicious spaghetti and meatballs, right?
Oh, thank you.
We enjoyed so much. And of course you can use fresh noodles, dry noodles, just cook al dente and shock in the ice water or rinse with cold water. This is perfect. The al dente and has such chew in it. It's good for cold noodles. I know, pasta for Chinese cold noodles. Why not? And I have garlic water. Of course, if you can eat raw garlic, just use minced garlic. I have the water. And finely chopped green onions, a little bit sugar, and this is a Sichuan pepper powder. And next I'm going to just slice some cucumbers for garnish. So I just need the cucumber slivers for garnish. You can also use bean sprout. And we cut the slices like that. Next, we're going to make a peanut sauce. So I have both roasted peanuts and sesame seeds. If you have raw, then you can roast them. And before you grind it, I of course have my coffee grinder specifically for my spices and nuts. In this case, can you just use peanut butter? I guess, right?
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure you
It's
could.
another shortcut. So
This
just
gives a little more crunch.
crunch, yeah. Nutty, right? So we just add about 2 tablespoons peanuts, the sesame seeds, about 1 tablespoon. Do we need to measure?
No reason to make it.
Okay, just give a pause. That should be it. We still have some pieces. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Great.
Let's take out peanut and sesame mix. And we'll add some ground chili pepper, or we call chili pepper powder. You can use chili flakes, 1.5 tablespoons. And next we're going to heat up some oil. I'm heating up the pan to high. And we're going to add about 1/2 cup oil. Do I need to measure? No, right?
No.
Chinese cooking doesn't require measuring. That should be good. We let this heat up about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's over 2 minutes. How do we know it's hot enough? You can just put your wooden chopstick there. You can see the bubble around the chopstick. It's ready. Just turn off. Let it cool off about 10 seconds. Now we are ready to infuse peanut and chili powder. First time, wait a little bit. Ooh. Second. Don't use glass bowl. Use a ceramic or stainless, like the one I have here. Be careful with hot oil, right? There we go. Now I'm ready to dress my noodles. Now let's make the sauce. So I have a peanut and chili sesame sauce here, or oil. And we'll add some little bit sugar, Sichuan pepper powder. This is nami, right?
Uh-huh.
And as I said, I'm gonna use garlic water instead of garlic. You can still use the minced garlic for stir fry. Don't discard it. That and soy sauce. Dark vinegar, black vinegar. To your own taste. Sesame oil. And mix. I think it's enough for noodles. That's a lot of noodles, right?
Looks good.
We can add more. More peanut sauce. More garlic water. Soy sauce. That should do it, right?
Yep.
Now we add green onions. Now let's add our cucumbers. Really adds the freshness, crunchiness. Now we'll pour our sauce over it. Wow. Mix it. Looks so good, right?
Yeah.
I know you love noodles. Any
Love
noodles, right?
Any kind of noodles.
In any form. And our noodles ready. You ready to try?
I'm ready to try.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Enjoy.
Wow. I love the peanuts.
Nutty, spicy, nami, right?
Excellent.
So flavorful.
I love the cucumber too.
This is perfect for lunch, right? Great side dish. Go with your barbecue if you're going to do barbecue. Refreshing, right? I hope I did justice to my friend's recipe. You know who you are. Thank you very much. Please try to make it at home. It's very simple. You can use any noodles you have, and with peanuts, sesame, and chili powder. Such flavorful side dish.
Delicious.
Delicious. Or you can go to the Chinese noodle salad, right? We called cold noodles. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.